Have you just received your first plus $1,858,056 and are wondering how to manage it wisely? Whether it's from your very first paycheck, a side hustle, or a gift, what you do with this money can shape your financial habits for life. $500 might not seem like a lot, but if budgeted smartly, it can be a powerful foundation. The mistake most people make is spending it impulsively on gadgets, eating out, or things they don't really need. But with just a little planning, this Earn 500 can help you start saving, build an emergency fund, or even make your first investment. In this video, I'll walk you through how to smartly budget your first $500 in 2025. I'll break down the ideal way to divide this amount and introduce you to some of the best apps that will help you save more, spend less, and build strong money habits, all starting today. So, if you're ready to make every dollar count and take control of your finances from day one, your journey, let's dive into one of the most important steps in personal finance, budgeting. Whether you're earning $500 a week, a month, or as a one time payment, how you manage that money determines your financial future. Here's a smart, practical breakdown of how to budget your $500 in a way that balances stability, growth, and happiness. This plan is flexible, beginner friendly, and designed to help you build healthy financial habits over. We'll follow a simple rule that divides your money into five key categories. 1. Needs 50%, $250. This is the foundation of your budget. Allocate 50% of your income, $250 in this case, toward your essential living expenses. These are the things you cannot live without: rent or housing costs, groceries, utilities like electricity, water, and internet transportation, gas, public transit, ride shares, basic insurance, or minimum debt payments. If you are spending than 50% of your income on needs, it's time to reassess. Can you move to a more affordable place? Can you cut down your grocery bill? Being mindful in this category can free up money for other important goals. 2. Savings 20%, $100. Next up, savings. Set aside 20% of your income, which would be $100 out of $500, toward building your financial cushion. Start with an emergency fund, ideally 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. This fund is your safety net if something unexpected happens, like job loss, medical bills, or car trouble. Once that's in place, think about placing your money in a high yield savings account or exploring options like certificates of deposit, CDs, for longer term savings. Remember, saving is not just about putting money away, it's about buying peace of mind and future freedom. 3. Wants 15%, $75. Yes, budgeting doesn't mean you have to give up all fun. You deserve to enjoy your money too, but do it wisely. Use 15% of your income, about $75, for non essential but enjoyable expenses. These can include dining out or ordering in subscriptions like Netflix or Spotify entertainment, movies, events, hobbies, shopping for clothes or gadgets. The key is to treat yourself without guilt, but within limits. This prevents burnout and keeps your budget sustainable in the long run. 4. Learning investing 10%, $50. This is the category that many people ignore, but it can have the biggest long term payoff. Dedicate 10%, $50 in this case, to self improvement or investing. That could mean buying books or audiobooks, enrolling in online courses, signing up for webinars or workshops, trying out micro investing apps like Acorns, Robinhood, or Stash. Learning is one of the best investments you can make. The more you grow, the more you earn. This category plants seeds that can turn into major opportunities in the future. 5. Giving 5%, $25. Finally, set aside 5%, 25 years, for giving. Whether it's donating to a cause you care about, tipping generously, helping a friend in need, or buying a gift for someone, you'd be surprised how far a little generosity can go. Giving isn't just about money, it's about mindset. It creates a sense of abundance, builds community, and brings emotional satisfaction. And remember, what you give comes back, often in ways you least expect. Customized to fit your life now. This 50-20-15-10-5 budget breakdown is not a strict rule, it's a starting point. Your life may look different. Maybe your rent is low and you want to save more. Maybe you're investing aggressively and cut down on wants. Maybe giving is a bigger part of your values. That's okay. The goal is not perfection, the goal is awareness and intention. Know where your money is going, align it with your goals and values, and make adjustments as needed. Even if you're starting with $500, budgeting builds the habit and discipline that will support you when you're managing $5,000 or $50,000. 3. Best budgeting and saving apps in 2025. Now that we've broken down the ideal budget, let's talk about tools that can make budgeting and saving even easier for you. In 2025, technology has made personal finance management more accessible than ever. Whether you're just starting to budget or you're a seasoned pro, there's an app for everyone. Below are some of the best budgeting and saving apps you can use to manage your money more effectively. 1. Rocket Money. One of the top apps of 2025, Rocket Money simplifies tracking and managing subscriptions. Subscriptions can sneak up on you, often auto-renewing without your knowledge, leading to unnecessary spending. Rocket Money helps track your subscriptions and gives you the power to auto-cancel the ones you no longer need. Not only that, but the app provides a full financial overview, helping you see where your money is going. If you're someone who has multiple subscriptions and struggles to keep track, Rocket Money is a game changer. 2. YNAB. You need a budget. YNAB is a cult favorite among budgeting enthusiasts, and for good reason. YNAB's motto is every dollar gets a job, meaning you allocate every cent of your income to a specific purpose. This method forces you to plan ahead and prioritize your spending. Whether you're just starting to budget or you're an experienced financial planner, YNAB helps you stay on track with your financial goals. It's perfect for beginners and offers comprehensive resources to help you learn and stick with a budget. Plus, with tools to manage debt and plan for the future, YNAB gives you a complete picture of your finances. 3. Monarch Money. If you prefer visuals to keep your financial plan on track, Monarch Money is the perfect choice. This app offers beautiful visual dashboards that sync all your accounts in one place, allowing you to track your spending, income, investments, and more. Monarch is especially great for goal based budgeting, where you can set financial targets like saving for a vacation or buying a home and track your progress visually. It's perfect for people who like seeing their money move in real time, helping you stay motivated to reach your goals. 4. Acorns. For those interested in micro investing, Acorns is an excellent app to start with. Acorns automatically rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the spare change in a diversified portfolio. For example, if you buy a coffee for $3.50, Acorns will round it up to $400 and invest the 50 cents. This way, you're saving and investing without having to think about it. It's an easy entry point into the world of investing, especially for those who might feel intimidated by traditional investing methods. 5. Digit. If you're someone who wants to automatically save without even thinking about it, Digit is the app for you. Digit uses AI technology to analyze your spending habits and automatically saves small amounts of money for you throughout the day. You might not even notice it, but over time, those small savings add up. Digit is designed to save discreetly by looking at your balance and moving small amounts to your Digit savings account. It's perfect for people who struggle with saving consistently or don't have time to sit down and manually set aside money. 6. Zeta for couples. Managing finances in a partnership can be tricky, but Zeta is a tool designed specifically for couples. Whether you're married or living together, Zeta helps track shared expenses as well as individual spending. You can create budgets together, monitor joint bills, and set goals as a team. Zeta makes it easy to split expenses, and the app also allows both partners to see where their money is going. This is a great tool for couples who want to maintain transparency and collaboration when it comes to their finances. 7. Good Budget for visual learners. Good Budget is a fantastic app. It uses the envelope method, a classic budgeting technique where you allocate specific amounts of money to different categories or envelopes such as groceries, entertainment, or rent. Each category has a set budget, and once you hit the limit, you stop spending in that category. Good Budget offers both digital and physical envelope systems, so you can track your spending and savings in a way that feels intuitive. If you prefer writing things down or seeing things in a tangible way, Good Budget is a great option. Which one to choose? The beauty of these apps is that there's something for everyone. Pick one or two that suit your style. Whether you want a detailed budget, wine app, a goal focused tracker, Monarch Money, or a simple savings app, Digit, you can find something that fits your needs. Many of these apps offer free trials or basic versions so you can try them out without committing financially. Ultimately, the right app for you is the one that helps you stay consistent, feel empowered, and move closer to your financial goals. These tools are designed to make budgeting and saving easier, and in 2025 they're better than ever. 4. Pro tips to stretch your $500. So you've got your $500, you've broken it down into a solid budget, and you're exploring apps to track it all. But here's the next step, making that $500 work smarter, harder, and longer. Stretching your money isn't about being cheap, it's about being strategic. With the right approach, your $500 can do far more than just cover basics. It can help you build habits, grow wealth, and create stability. Here are 5 powerful tips to stretch your $500 further and make every dollar count. 1. Automate your savings. The biggest reason people fail to save is simply that they forget or they wait until the end of the month when there's nothing left. The fix: automation. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings or investment account the moment your money comes in. Even small automatic contributions like $25 or $50 can add up significantly over time. Most banks and budgeting apps allow you to schedule transfers weekly or monthly. Why this works? It removes the emotional decision making around saving. It helps you pay yourself first. It builds discipline without effort. Think of automation as your financial autopilot. Set it once and let it codes during online checkout. Upside offers rewards on gas, groceries, and dining. Let's say you spend $300 a month on essentials. If you get 5% back, 5%, that's $15 saved, and that's just one app. Multiply that across the year, and you could save hundreds. Bonus tip: pair these apps with a rewards credit card only if you pay your balance in full monthly to double your benefits. 3. Avoid lifestyle inflation. This is a big trap. You suddenly have an extra $500. Awesome, but don't blow it all just because you can. Lifestyle inflation is when your expenses rise as your income or funds increase. It's a silent killer of long term wealth. Instead of seeing this $500 as a green light to splurge, flip the mindset. Treat it as a resource to build your future, not a ticket to temporary pleasure.